Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. My name is Sahiba, and
Oh,
what's your name?
Sahiba, my name is Cindy.
Cindy. Nice name, beautiful name.
Oh,
Wow.
thank you. Where are you from, Sahiba?
I am from India, and
Mm-hmm.
yes, where are you
And
from?
I'm from South Africa.
South Africa. Wow.
Mm-hmm. How old are you?
17.
Are you 17? You are a student?
Yes, I'm in 12th grade right now.
In the 12th grade?
Yes,
Oh, wow. And are you on holiday? Vacation?
yes.
Nice.
Summer vacation.
Summer vacation, very nice.
Yeah.
Do you have any plans for the holidays?
No, only English.
Only English?
I mean, right now I am practicing in English, spoken English.
Ah,
So this is
ah,
my plan,
I see. You
not
don't want to
another
do
plan.
you don't want to do anything else?
No.
Really? Are you allowed to go outside?
Yes.
You are? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And tell me about your hobbies, Sahiba.
I like reading. I like
Mm-hmm.
painting as well and cooking.
Oh wow. Very nice. What do you cook?
Vegetables. Uh, uh, biryani.
Oh, very nice.
Chicken. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And what about you?
Uh, what about me? Ask me a question.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. I
Oh
enjoy
wow.
cooking.
Mm-hmm.
And I also like to I'm very active, so I like to go hiking.
Wow.
Hmm. I
I'm
also
also
like, sorry,
I'm also hiking.
you also like to
Like
hike?
yeah,
So we have a few things in common. Hmm?
yeah.
Yeah. Are you in the kitchen? Are you busy cooking?
No, no, I'm in my room.
Oh, you in your room? Okay. So do you
This
cook?
child, child.
Huh? Oh, I see. I see.
Yeah. And you? Where are you?
I'm at my friend's place in my friend's room.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm teaching a little bit in her room, then I will go home again.
Oh, so
Uh-huh.
you live with your family?
No, no, no. I live alone. I'm not in South Africa right now. I'm in Vietnam.
Sorry?
I'm in Vietnam.
Okay.
Let me write it. Vietnam.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
So
In South Africa?
no, I'm not in South Africa.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in a different country. I'm in an Asian country.
Okay.
Mm, mm.
Wow.
So
You're staying alone
yes.
in
Well,
other
well, I stay with
country.
I stay with my boyfriend.
Okay, you are living with your boyfriend.
Yeah, I live with my boyfriend. So
Okay.
okay, so tell me, what do you cook? Do you help your mom to cook? Or do
Yeah.
you cook for yourself?
Sorry?
Do you cook for yourself or do you wait for your mom to cook for you?
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, every day I cook.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh, and then what do you cook? What is the best dish? What is your favorite dish?
biryani.
Oh,
I personally like chicken biryani. And
oh,
yeah,
that sounds nice.
yes.
Uh-huh. And what else do you like to cook?
Uh, Vegetables. And
Vegetables? Mm-hmm. Uh, what is your most famous dessert in India?
dessert.
Dessert? Mm-hmm.
Uh, like gulab jamun, rasgulla. You know.
No, I don't know.
One moment, I.
Rasgulla. Is that
Yes.
right?
So tell me, when will you get married?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know if I want to get married. Are you married?
No,
No?
no.
Okay.
Yeah.
When would you like to get married?
I will get married in 27 years old. In
Oh,
winter. Right now,
Hmm.
I'm in 17. Long time.
A long time. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
We
Saliba, I
have
think our time is
4
up.
seconds. Yeah.
Let me say goodbye.
Bye
It
bye
was
bye.
nice.